Hair loss in women, or alopecia, while not a threat to survival, is frequently associated with social stigma and causes emotional distress. No matter what the cause of hair loss, post-pregnancy changes, menopause, autoimmune conditions, stress, genetics, thyroid problems, or other reasons, the results are the same. Hair loss sufferers experience reduced blood flow to hair follicles and scalp tissue. Less blood flow means fewer nutrients supplied to cells, which can cause cellular damage and underperforming hair growth at the follicular level. Hormonal assassins target genetically vulnerable hair follicles, compromising the body's biochemical pathway that normally nourishes hair follicles and scalp tissue. Malnourished hair follicles cause hair miniaturization. Hair becomes thinner, shorter, and more brittle. Hair loss accelerates. Eventually, only vellus, peach fuzz hair grows. In some cases, hair completely stops growing. Fortunately, an alternative pathway for revitalizing cellular activity exists: the photochemical pathway. Low laser light therapy mimics the healing powers of the biochemical pathway through photochemistry. Laser light, like light bulbs or LEDs, does not disperse. This coherence enables laser light to focus concentrated power within a small circumference. Low laser light therapy stimulates cell activity through photochemistry. Just like vitamin D, the sunshine vitamin is created through adequate sun exposure. Continually delivering a concentrated wavelength of monochromatic light in the 600 to 950 nanometer range, low laser light, cold lasers, penetrate targeted tissue painlessly, safely, and effectively. Each cell, from the scalp to the follicle, must be sufficiently stimulated in order to absorb the light energy required for stimulation. Because the follicles lie below the skin, coherent light must deeply penetrate skin to create the desired effect. These light photons repeatedly bombard cells and excite the mitochondria, our cellular power plants. Excited mitochondria increase the production of ATP. ATP fuels cellular healing at accelerated rates. In response to photostimulation, vascularization, blood supply and nutrients increase in the scalp and hair follicles. Follicles can reverse miniaturization, prevent additional hair loss, and restore healthy hair generation. Low laser light therapy is a proven, highly effective, and safe hair loss treatment. In clinical studies, it helps up to 90% of hair loss sufferers, with no side effects and virtually no contraindications. Low laser light therapy in clinics or salons is a virtually painless, non-invasive, and drug-free alternative to other treatments, but numerous repeat sessions can be inconvenient, and high equipment and session costs can be prohibitive. Now, with the FDA-cleared Theradome LH80 Pro, hair restoration has never been so convenient and so cost-effective. The Theradome LH80 Pro delivers clinically proven results at a therapeutically approved wavelength. 80 lasers maximize scalp coverage and penetrate to a depth of 1.5 millimeters to stimulate follicle and tissue repair, reverse hair miniaturization, and promote hair growth at a fraction of the cost of the typical in-clinic or in-salon laser. Discreet, clinical-grade treatment in the comfort of one's own home in only 20-minute, twice-a-week sessions with the hands-free, cordless Theradome LH80 Pro. Demonstrated effectiveness in hair loss prevention, increased hair thickness and density. New hair growth after only 4 months. The 120-day guaranteed Theradome LH80 Pro. Recommended by leading dermatologists and hair restoration experts.